in this video we are going to see that how can we organize a user profile in Discord. So in Discord we have a profile that needs to be created first before even creating a server. Once we have created a profile, we can create our own server or join any of the servers that we have been invited to, or even join some of the public servers that are available all over the globe. Now, once you have created your profile, there are few things that you can manage. And all these things that you can manage are actually available on this particular panel, that is the panel where all the channels are listed on the bottom side of that panel. Okay, so first of all we have is the microphone icon, which helps you to mute or unmute your voice, because in Discord we can actually just share our voice. So if you do not want your voice to be shared, you can keep your microphone on mute. Similarly, if you do not want to hear what others are saying on the channel, then you can use this deafen icon, and this would just cut all the sounds and you won't be getting any sound into your headphones or from your speakers. But if you want to hear in what others are saying, you can just turn this option on. Next is the status settings. So if you just click on these user settings option, you would be getting all the information through which you can manage your profile. You can go to user profile. From here you can change your avatar, like you want a particular image or any kind of an animated avatar that you can choose. If you just click on this, these are these different GIFs from which you can just choose your avatar. So let's just choose this one. Click on apply. So this kind of an avatar would be only available if you are joined through Nitro. So in case you do not want to join Nitro, you can simply click on exit preview, and this avatar, this GIF avatar, won't be applied. If you want to change the color of your profile, which by default is the yellow color, you can just choose any of the colors that you like. This one. Then if you want, you can add a few sentences about yourself in the markdown, as well as the links that you want people to see. And once you're all done, you can just click on save changes. So your profile changes would be saved. Now let's just click on escape. If you want to change your status settings, then what you can do is just click on this profile link. Here right now the status is set to online and the green dot is visible with your name. This also you can see over here, wherein this is a members bar that shows all the members of the particular server. So just beside your name, a green dot is shown with a status as online if you just hover over it. Okay, so these are the different status that you can just set, like the idle status. So now this icon changes to a moon icon and your status changes to idle. If you do not want to receive any of the desktop notifications, you can change your status to do not disturb. If you want to be invisible, that means even if you are online, others won't be able to see this information. So that also you can just set to invisible, or you can even set a custom status. So let's say I want to say feeling bored, and then you can just set the duration, that for how much time you want to just keep the status. So let's just keep it as 30 minutes. And what would be the status symbol? So status symbol would be online, and click on save. So now what is happening is I'm getting this feeling bored written just beside my name, which is showing my status. Other things we can do with Discord with a user profile is how to share video or screen. So as you can see here, we are getting this share your screen option. If you just click on share screen, you would be getting an information that what you want to share. If you want to share your entire screen, or you want to share some of the windows only, or you want to share a particular Chrome tab, that also you can share. So you can just click on that icon. Then there is this option to share system audio. So this option is used when suppose you are playing a video onto your system and you want to share your screen or your video with everyone. Then just by sharing the screen, only the visuals would be there, but anyone who is listening into your server, even if your microphone is on, won't be able to listen what's going on into the video. So if you just click on this icon, that is share system audio, then they won't be able to listen to what's going on through the video. So once you have checked this icon, you can just simply click on share and that screen would be shared. Similarly, for video, you need to just click on this icon and give camera access to Discord, and then you would be able to video chat with anyone who has joined your server. So that's all that you can manage for your user profile in Discord. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.